Alright, smart investor, hope you all are doing well today. I want to start this video by expressing my huge congratulations to all our intelligent real estate investors who came into this unit when we are almost like the finishing stage. Now on this ground floor, everything is sold out. I'm sorry, if your interest is on the ground floor, just switch it to the first floor. Now on the first floor, we have only one unit of 45 square meter office or slash mall space available, which is presently selling for 900,000. So you will get it for 40.5 million if you want to go for the available 45 square meter on this first floor. But on the second floor, we have 69 square meters available. We have 61 square meters available. Of course, as we proceed in this video, I'll be showing you so that you can see them. But now the good thing basically is that at this stage, we are not even supposed to accept installments at all, because the construction is done. As you can see, the transformer is on. Our solar system, please come and show them the solar system. Our solar system is also done, and of course the facility management here is top notch. We have cleaners, we have electricians who are here to attend to any needs of any tenant here. We have offices here, we have good rental opportunities here. So without talking too much, let's take a tour. So I'm here to show you the available units of malls and office spaces here at Treasure Mall Abijo. Is the only available on the first floor. It's 45 square meter. So when you do the calculation, 45 times 800 per square meter, that's like 36,990,000. Okay, this is actually the biggest, 96 square meters. So here, if you have this place, just start a church. Okay, if you want to start a church, you want to start a big training center, let me show you. This is available for 76.8 million. Just do the math. 96 square meters times 900. So look at it. So you can start an academy here. This place is very massive, and I also love the fact that it's in the center of attraction. Can you see? This is 45 square meter. 45 square meter. You see? So you want to know the amount? 45 square meters times 900. 49 times 800. That's 36 million. Okay, this is available for 36. It's available for, it is 40.5 million on a 3-month payment plan. Look at this. Imagine your businesses here. Look at it. 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 Trust me, businesses, office spaces, complexes, barbering salon, casino, your bar. So these are the available units, spaces that is available here at Treasure Mall. So we have not increased the price, despite the fact that it's due for price increase. My MD is a very considerable and generous person, and he has ascertained that he's not going to increase the price. However, you have to take action right now if you want to have commercial real estate, someone that you can rent easily. As you can see, the location is central, the title is governor's consent, the facility, of course there will be facility management here, so there is not going to be cases of they destroyed my properties. Payment plan is 3 months, but we can do 4 months, and that's the maximum we can do because it's already available for moving. As you can see, some shops are already occupied. You've seen offices, you've seen boutiques, because there's a pharmacy that will also be coming to this place. So this is Abijo GRA. Trust me, you want to start picking up your call, and let's start making your reservation.